Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Connecting your printer to your MacBook doesn't have to be complicated. With these updated steps for 2025, you'll be printing your documents and photos in just a few minutes, whether you prefer a wireless setup or a traditional USB connection. We'll guide you through each option, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Get ready to enjoy seamless printing from your Apple device, making your workflow much more efficient. For ultimate convenience, setting up your printer wirelessly is often the best choice. First, confirm both your MacBook and your printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Most modern printers support AirPrint, which allows your Mac to automatically detect and connect without installing additional software. Simply open System Settings, navigate to Printers and Scanners, and click the plus button to add your Air Print-enabled device. If wireless isn't an option, or you prefer a direct link, a USB cable offers a very reliable connection. Simply plug one end of the USB cable into your printer and the other end into an available USB port on your MacBook. Your Mac should usually detect the new hardware automatically. Then, open System Settings, go to Printers and Scanners, and you'll typically see your newly connected printer ready to be added. While AirPrint handles many printers, some devices, especially older models or specialized ones, might require specific drivers. If your Mac doesn't automatically detect your printer, visit the manufacturer's official website. Download the latest macOS drivers compatible with your printer model. After installing these drivers, return to System Settings, head to Printers and Scanners, and try adding your printer again. It should now appear correctly. Running into trouble? Don't worry, most printer connection issues are simple fixes. Start by restarting your printer, your MacBook, and even your Wi-Fi router to clear any temporary glitches. Always check for physical problems like paper jams or low ink levels, which can also prevent printing. If issues persist, review the manufacturer's support page for model-specific advice. You'll be back to printing smoothly in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.